Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your headphones EDIFIER STAX S5 in the application. You have to start by open EDIFIER CONNECT app, and of course you need to add these headphones to the application. When you did it, just go to the settings at the right top. And right here we have a name, near to the name we have this pencil icon. You need to tap at this icon and now write the best one for you. But right now with this text I can add only 2 more symbols. So let's say I wanna add something long, I click save, but I can't because there's not so much symbols I have. So if you want to add some long word, you need to remove some of these words. Let's say I want to remove this one, and now I can add something longest, let's say this one, and I click save, and as you can see we just did it. So this is the only way. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!